morning, family. How are you all doing? Welcome back to the Littlesilver family. For those who are my loyal darlings, thank you for being here and always supporting me. For the new viewers, please welcome to this channel and don't forget to subscribe because we have awesome content. So it's in the morning, my time, East African time, and I just woke up and felt, something I've been thinking about, like my mom's kitchen needs a little bit of, let's say, refurb or retouch. So I'm going to be testing out something. This wall is plastered, but it has never been painted because of the reservations that we have. Wood operated technology. So, but I have some DIY I want to test out, and definitely I want to replace some of my mom's containers, which I look at them and I'm like, not disappointed, but I cannot change much about them, you know. They are who they are. We accept who they are, and we can always be the change we need to be. I hope my DIY for the wall works. Let me show you. So first of all, I'll do the wall and then we'll change a few arrangements of the situation around and also replace some containers. So let's get started. But first I'm going to have some lemon water, just because it's not something I'm usually doing, just because there are free lemons in the tree, so why not use them and pretend to be healthy. So this is a hash, like wood hash. I want to try a little bit out for the wall DIY and then see how it works. So this is the exhibit. Well, let me see, I'll give it a few minutes or something. I'll check it. Expect a few interruptions as well because, yeah, this is the kitchen. So people will be coming in, people will be coming in, people will be going out. And I'll still be getting my stuff done, hopefully. So I think the trial version isn't that bad. So at least compared to this, the wall will be a little bit, just a little bit of brightness. So when the whole kitchen is looking like that, it will be more bright. And I think I'll achieve what I was envisioning to achieve. So I had to borrow some tools like the headscarf because there's some soot right here just above the oven. I don't know if I should call it oven or something. Then I have to scrap it off and then I can apply the ash. So let's get started. And I can't wait to see my final outlook and congratulate myself, like, how creative could you be? I think we should add this idea to CBC syllabus to painting, like painting houses, because hash is readily available anyways. And yeah, I think actually it's getting better than I expected. So check the difference. So I'll finish sieving and then I'll get started. Ciao. After testing a small portion of the wall and seeing what came out, I was completely confident on my DIY. So painting is done. I'm ready to arrange the mess. But before then, we have to let's go to Nairobi and get some canisters. Well, don't get it twisted. My trip to Nairobi was not entirely to buy canisters. And if you're a smart shopper in Nairobi, you know what I did. I had to compare the prices in the supermarket first because it's usually higher, and decided to head to Kamkunji so that I have the baseline prices on my mind. I was lucky enough to get some canisters, although it was the last piece or set, but I got literally whatever I needed in general, and I was excited. That's why my trip was viable. Since these are the canisters I got, I didn't prefer glass ones, but they looked cute and convenient. Actually, I got two. This is the blue one and another one. And I got this sieve to replace this one because it's plastic and wire mesh metal. I don't know what bothers me with plastics, because no one keeps them clean like at home. Like, look at it. Well, it's not that bad, but I don't want it. So for me, I do replace and throw. But if it were for my mom, she would just replace. Actually, I think the new one should keep in the cupboard and start using the rest. I also got this thing, this one, to keep spoons, so at least there's no water accumulated. Before, we were putting the spoons in a cup. The cup is not perforated. Then we have this. How cute are these? I hoped to get silver ones, but I didn't get silver ones. those ones. I got these cute ones, but they are so enormous. I don't even know, but I hope they'll do with whatever I want to keep here. This one as well, as much as I wanted to avoid plastic, I think this one, I just got it in case I didn't have enough, you know.